On this episode of Weekly Tech Vibe, I'm going to show you how to blow $1 million on a home theater. Let's do this. We're not going to dibby-dabble here, we're going to get straight into the equipment list, and I'll tell you briefly why I chose each one, and at the end I'm going to tell you the eye-watering amount of this equipment list. Let's do this. First up, the projector. The heart of the beast, I say. And here I chose the JVC DLS RS 4500. It has 3 DILA chips to produce true 4K HDR, 3000 lumens without laser, 150,000 to 1 contrast ratio, easily produce a 200-inch image, no problems whatsoever, 18-element true glass, motorized lens, you name it, ticks all the boxes, and yeah, $39,000, thank you very much. Up next, we're going to need a 4K player, and for that I would have said to you just a few months ago, absolutely Oppo UDP 205 tick, done, dusted, but unfortunately early this year they announced that they're no longer going to be producing players, so with that in mind, I've decided to go with the Cambridge CX UHD. This, like the Oppo, does a UHD picture, 4K obviously, HDR, Dolby Vision, SACDs, true audio, you name it, 2D, 3D, ticks all the boxes, best in class, high quality piece of equipment, and for this little sucker, only $1,199. Cheap, great. Up next, I was going to put in a home theater PC, but you know what? With the likes of Apple TVs, Chromecast, Rokus, I think these days you've realistically already got that. So if you want to, you can put your own home theater PC in, but for all the trouble and maintenance and also the interface issue like keyboard and mouse, I don't think in a true home theater of this level, a home theater PC really cuts it. So, what we're going to whack in here, definitely Apple TV 4K, a Chromecast Ultra, maybe PS4 Pro, Xbox One X, how about a high-end gaming PC? Yeah, these are all good things, but I'm not going to put these in a total of the price, nah. Alright, getting back to the true stuff, with that lovely projector you're going to need an anamorphic lens and a motorized caddy, and for this I've chosen the Panamorph Palladium lens. At close to $10,000, yeah, this thing is capable of producing up to 8K resolution, so we've got a nice future-proof lens which will utilize the full extent of the chips inside of the projector. And to get this beautiful lens in front of the projector, we're going to need a motorized sled, and here it is, short and simple, $909, perfect. I'll do another video soon about anamorphic and cinemascope and how your projector is not actually utilizing its full potential unless you've got one of these bad suckers. Moving on to the biggest cost for this whole home theater. Quite simply, looking at all the different home theaters across YouTube and online, most people seem to be heading towards the JBL Synthesis brand. So this is going to cover off beautifully your preamp, your amp, equalizers, speakers, subwoofers, you name it. The JBL Synthesis brand does it all. And I found the perfect one, the Atmos system, for eye-watering $460,000. Yes, you read right. Okay. Designed to be built into customized home theaters, this package has everything. The SDP75 preamp with Dolby Atmos has a truckload of inputs and outputs and scalable from 16 to 32 channels of support. What? 32 channels? When you're talking about home theater on the bigger scale, that is to say more than 5 people, 10 people, no, we're talking about an auditorium that can comfortably seat up to about 20 people. You're going to need a lot of speakers and a lot of power to fill that sort of space. Your typical Atmos setup would be 7.1.4 or maybe 7.2.4. What does that mean? That basically means 7 main speakers for your main channels, 0.1 or 0.2 refers to the number of subwoofers, and 0.4 refers to the number of overhead speakers. Okay, so getting back to where I was, 7.1.4, that's about 12 speakers. So I found this beautiful JBL Synthesis Atmos system, and get this, it's got 13.4.11. That is 24 speakers and 4 subwoofers, running between 200 to 300 watts each, 8 ohms. This system is on par with what you'll get in a commercial theater. You're going to need to upgrade your power to your house to actually drive with this, but nonetheless, you'll have best in class guaranteed. To control all this, we're going to need some controllers, integrators and switchgear. And to stay with the JBL Harman brand, I thought the AMX is a perfect fit for that. So the 4200 audio video controller and the AMX Precise 8x8 4K 60 matrix switcher come in beautifully at $4,000 and $3,500 respectively, and will be able to cover off all the controls of your home theater through beautiful interface tablets and computers, whatever you choose to use. These essentially are computers, and they work across internet, and they have all the switch gear built inside of them to control everything in your beautiful, expensive, crazy home theater. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, do me a favor, consider subscribing, like this video, put some comments down below. What did I get right? What would you do differently? Let me know, and we'll follow it up in a video real soon. Let's finish off now with the screen. For this, there is no denying the market leader, both for professional as well as home theater, like prosumer level, is Stewart Screens. And for that, I've gone with the Director's Edition with its 4-way masking system. They will custom build this, so I've chosen acoustic material, 200-inch, designed for 2.35:1 aspect ratio, and this little baby will set you back only $30,000. Okay, not bad, eh? I've now costed over $550,000 worth of equipment just in the AV side of things, okay? I haven't obviously covered off things like seats, lights, furnishings, soft furnishings, raked seating positions, carpet, sound deadening materials, climate control, similar memorabilia, poster light boxes. You get the idea. And so for that reason, I'm touting this video as, drumroll,
the $1 million Dream Home Theater!
Wow. So I hope you've really enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel, put your thoughts down below. Really like to hear from you as to what I got right, what you thought I could do better, what you would do. Hey, let me know. Otherwise, episodes are every Wednesday and Friday. If I don't see you before then, stay techie.